Tinder, how to fix payment error. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a payment error on Tinder. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. If you're facing a payment error on Tinder, there could be a few reasons behind it, and I'll walk you through some quick fixes you can try. First, double-check your payment information. If you're trying to purchase Tinder Plus, Gold, or Platinum, make sure that the card details you've entered are correct. Sometimes even a small typo in the card number, expiry date, or CVV can cause the payment to fail. Also, confirm that your card or payment method has enough balance and that it's still active. Next, depending on your device, the payment process might differ. If you're using an Android phone, your payments go through the Google Play Store. If you're on iOS, they go through the App Store. So make sure that the payment method linked to your Play Store or App Store account is valid. If needed, you can add a new card, PayPal, or any other available method and then try again. Now, let's move on to updating the app. Sometimes, outdated versions of Tinder can cause errors during purchases. Head over to the Play Store or App Store and check if there's a new update available. If yes, update it to the latest version and try making the payment again. Another thing you can try is clearing the Tinder cache files on Android. To do this, long press on the Tinder app icon, tap on the little I or App Info button, and from here, go to Storage. You'll see an option to clear cache. Tap on it, then restart your device and check if the payment goes through. If you're on iOS, you can try deleting and reinstalling the app instead, which often fixes hidden issues. Lastly, make sure you have a stable internet connection, because weak or interrupted connections can also prevent payments from processing. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data sometimes helps as well. So by checking your payment details, updating Tinder, clearing cache, and ensuring a good internet connection, you should be able to solve the payment error issue. That's all for the video.